What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have some bank stock, dividend stocks. I don't own any of them, and I'm closely watching. I wanted to do a stock analysis and dividend stock analysis for you guys. Um, 5 of them, a few of them might be pretty popular. Some of them might surprise you. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these bank stocks out right now. Here's an interesting one. Truist Financial Corp. It's sitting at 32.89, a dividend yield of 6.32%. I did a little bit of digging on these guys. These guys have over 2,700 branches, and they're in more than 10 states, which is pretty impressive. PE ratio of 7.43, average volume 16.10 million US, 16.10 million. Market cap is 43.68 billion US dollars. Its year range is 2870 to 6110. Day range is 3182 to 3223, and its previous close is 3257. Let's check out their revenue and dividend history. This is in millions US dollars. 2016 11, 2017 12, 2018 12, almost 13, 2019 14,000, 2020 during the pandemic 24,000, 2021 23,000, and 2022 25,000. So there is a huge increase in revenue from 2016 to 2022. Now let's check out its dividend history. So per Sachs, its dividend started at 45 cents in 2019, little stagnant during the pandemic, and then they started hiking their dividend 2021 to 48 cents, 2022 to 52 cents. Payout ratio is 42%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 6.95%. If you bought one share, you made $2.08 with a 6.32% dividend yield. Not too bad. TFC is a symbol. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Citigroup is the next dividend stock. It's sitting at 43.11. Dividend yield of 4.73%, a PE ratio of 6.06. Average volume 21.92 million. The market cap is 83.91 billion US dollars. Year range is 40.01 to 57.40. Day range is 42.01 to 43.12. And its previous close is 43.45. Let's check out their revenue and dividend history. By the way, C is a symbol. Let's check these guys out. Revenue-wise, they've been pretty strong. Millions US dollars, 2016, 83,000, 2017, 88,000, 2018, 97,000, 2019, 103, 2020, huge hit, 88,000, 2021, 79,000, then 2022, a huge rebound at 101. So that's a lot. So 2016, 83,000 to 2022, 101,078 millions US dollars, pretty strong. Let's check out their dividend history. So here's their dividend history per Sachs. 2016, 5 cents to 16 cents. 2017, 32 cents. 2018, 45 cents. 2019, 51 cents. And it's been stagnant at 51 cents. So I'm closely watching these guys. The payout ratio is 29%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 2. Dividend growth in 5 years is 7.09%. So if you bought one share, you made 204 with a 4.73% dividend yield. Let's check out the next dividend stock. This one is down, and it's pretty popular right now. M&t Bank Corp, MTB is a symbol. It's sitting at 114.93. Dividend yield is 4.52%, a PE ratio of 9.97. Average volume 2.30 million. The market cap is 19.31 billion US dollars. Year range is 110 to 193.42. Huge dip. Day range is 110 to 115.65, and its previous close was 112.37. This is a huge discount right now. Let's check out their revenue and dividend history. These guys are a big company, by the way. Here's their revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 571. 2017, 6,018. 2018, 6,454. 2019, 6,941. 2020, 6,281. 2021, 6,105. And then 2022, 8,603. Now let's check out their dividend history. And these guys have been on a rampage with their dividends. So look at this. 2010, 2011, and then 2015, they were still at 70 cents. Then they cracked 75 cents in 2017. Then they cracked 80 cents in 2018. Then 2018, they cracked $1. Then they cracked 110 in 2019. And then 2021, they cracked 120. Then they just cracked 130 in March of 2023. So the payout ratio is 34%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years is 7.63%. So if you bought one share, you made $5.20 with a 4.52% dividend yield. Let's check out the next dividend stock. Next one is Bank of New York Mellon Corp. It's sitting at $42.75, a dividend yield of 3.46%, a PE ratio of 14.75, average volume 5.83 million, market cap is $34.19 billion US dollars. Its year range is 36.22 to 53.63. Day range is 41.57 to 42.89. Its previous close was 43.24. Check out their revenue and dividend history. So here's their revenue. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 15,674. 2017, 6,617. 2018, 19,213. 2019, 20,822. 2020, 16,940. 2021, 16,158. Then 2022, 19,991. Now let's check out their dividend history. These guys have been pretty decent with their dividend growth. 2016, 19 cents. 2017, 24 cents. 2018, 28 cents. 2019, 31 cents. They've been stagnant. Then they cracked the 34-cent mark in 2021. And then they cracked 37 cents in 2022 and 2023. So the payout ratio is 33%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 4. Dividend growth in 5 years is 7.78%. So if you bought one share, you made $148 with a 3.46% dividend yield. Let's jump to the final dividend stock, and I'll actually give you a wild card stock after this. Final dividend stock really needs no introduction. Goldman Sachs, GS is a symbol. By the way, the previous stock symbol is BK. Dividend yield is 3.20%, PE ratio of 1040, average volume 3.01 million, market cap is 104.33 billion US dollars. Year range is 277.84 to 389.58. Day range is 305.36 to 312.75. Its previous close was 314.85. Now let's check out their revenue and dividend history. Here's their revenue in millions US dollars. 2016, 30,000. 2017, 32,000. 2018, 36,000. 2019, 36,000. 2020, 44,000. 2021, 59,000. 2022, a major drop at 47,000. So these guys are very high priced, but revenue wise, they're a little iffy right now. And they're a big company, but I'm sure they'll respond very strong. But by the way, I don't own any of these stocks. I just want to make this clear. This is not financial advice for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in the description. Let's check out their dividend history. Watch this dividend growth. 2016, 65 cents. 2017, 75 cents. 2018, 80 cents. 2019, 85 cents. To 125. And then 2021, $2. And then they cracked 215 in 2023. So the dividend growth in 5 years is 29.39%. That's pretty solid. You bought one share, you made $10 with a 3.20% dividend yield with a payout ratio of 33%. There's no way I can afford these guys. Maybe if I start really getting some nice dividends, that's a different story, but I need to really get up there before I consider buying a strong dividend stock like these guys. Now let's jump to the wild card stock. These guys took a little bit of a hit, but they're so cheap right now. Heritage Commerce Corp, sitting at $8.77. Dividend yield of 5.93%. I've done videos on these guys. I've owned them and I sold them. They're so cheap. See what happens with this and then maybe consider rebuying them. A PE ratio of 8.05, average volume 440.13K, market cap is 534.07 million US dollars. Year range is 817 to 1487, day range is 830 to 882. Its previous close was 849. That's a huge discount. Check out their revenue and dividend history. Revenue-wise, they've done pretty well. This is in millions US dollars. 2016, 106, 2017, 116, 2018, 139, 2019, 152, 2020, 160, 2021, 162, and 2022, 198. Now, let's check out their dividend history. So here's our dividend history. 2013, 3 cents. 2014, 4 cents. 5 cents, 2015, 8 cents, 2016, 9 cents, 2017, 10 cents, 2018, 11 cents, 2019, 12 cents, 2020, 13 cents. Is it just sitting at 13? I really want them to hike their dividend soon. Payout ratio is 48%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 2. Dividend growth in 5 years is 4.07%. You bought one share, You made 52 cents with a 5.93% dividend yield. These guys are so cheap right now. I'm like tempted to buy them, but I don't know if I'll buy them yet. So I just wanted to go over this video. I don't own any of these dividend stocks. I said in my previous video I'd maybe do one on some dividend stocks I own. I'll probably save that for possibly next week with some certain bank stocks still that are hot. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. 2 videos today. And I plan on, I cannot wait. When I'm done in August, like, I'm going to pump videos like crazy. So you better hit that notification bell now and subscribe. So again, I'm not giving financial advice. I'm just showing you hot dividend stocks out there. I'm a dividend investor. I love passive income, and the dividend snowball effect is kicking in right now for me as I'm dollar cost averaging every week, and I'm throwing extra money into my dividend portfolio. So I may start throwing $700 a week with my travel nurse pay. So that's a possibility. And throwing $125 a week into my IRA. $125 a week is a guarantee with my IRA, but my dividend portfolio, I'm looking at I'm throwing $500 a week, but I'm looking at $700 possibly in the future. You guys take care, and I'll post a video for you on Sunday.